Hello, good morning everyone, and welcome to my presentation. For this presentation, we'll be talking about this week's TQ, which is a no-haggle policy. Starting off, for this case study, we are a local car dealership which has recently made a profit of about $1 million in the last year. Looking at the market, we can see that there are competitors beside us, which shows us that this is an oligopoly market and a cornered oligopoly today. So in this market, there are firms producing identical product which compete in quantities. It is an economic model in which competing firms use a quantity to produce independently and simultaneously. This model applies when firms produce identical or standard goods and it is assumed that they cannot collude or form the cartel. So let us see what differentiates us in this market. So the differentiating factor for us is the no haggle strategy. If we were to look at history, we can see if we were to look at the history over the 5 years, we can see there has been that we are giving a 20% discount of all manufacturers' suggested retail price or MSRP. This discount is more than a perk and it is a substantial cost saving opportunity for this dealership. The significance of this discount cannot be overstated as it wields substantial influence over our cost structure and serves as a guiding star in our pricing decision. So let us look at the marginal cost. In the marginal cost, this it encompasses various components including manufacturing expenses, marketing costs, and the logistic expenses associated with delivering the vehicle into the hands of our customers, which amounts to a total of $12,000. So the main heartbeat of our policy is the no haggle strategy, where we give a certain price to a customer and they just buy the product instead of bargaining with us. So let's look at elasticity of demand. Here the price elasticity of demand in this market is minus 1.5. Price elasticity of demand is measures how sensitive the quantity demand of a product is to the change in its price. In this case study, the market price elasticity of demand for mid-size Honda automobile is 1.5. This means that a 1% increase in price would lead to a 1.5% decrease in quantity demand and vice versa. So let's go to the main question, which is how much price do we charge? So for this, let us look at, since this is a cornered oligopoly, we'll be looking at the formula used to calculate the maximize profit. So this is the formula where n equals to the number of firms or market in the competition, which is 3. em equals to the elasticity, which is negative 1.5, and MC is marginal cost, which is $12,000. Looking at the formula and calculating, we get the value of $15428.57. This should be the amount which we are charging to the customers. So in conclusion, our no haggle sales policy coupled with our unique positioning in the market has allowed us to thrive in the competitive market, and if we continue going this, we are bound to get more profits in the future. So thank you everyone. These are references.